I'm first recorder now.
Yeah, so I'll shoot against you.
An interesting angle.
Yeah. He's got one too, right? He's going white. Oh shit. Oh, 2 for 1. You're on camera, buddy.
Huh?
You're on camera.
What up? You're on camera.
Shit, we're all on camera.
Is this from like YouTube or some shit?
Yeah.
This was literally like...
He's got a YouTube channel.
Oh.
GoPro Uzi is his channel.
Oh yeah, I see you guys?
He's got videos.
Alright, face off, hard as you can.
I can't get that low.
Alright. One more block. One more block. One more block.
There we go.
That was terrible. Hello, down low.
Ladies and gentlemen, my man is wearing my second GoPro camera. Actually my new one, GoPro Hero 13, baby. And he's mounted on top of his helmet here. This is a cool perspective because you get to see what the player sees from the bench and from his viewpoint. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this. Give me a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the GoPro Goalie Uzi.
One.
Oh, watch it, boys. Keep your heads up. Keep your heads up. Ooh, you almost had the E-train make a big hit right in the open. And here he comes down the right wing, makes a couple sick moves, and he's in, and the backhand scores 5-hole. And Dirk is on the scoreboard. Whoa, and there you got Jacob with his sick hands, just dangling through the neutral zone and gets a good shot off. Sick hands, sick hands. I'm sure I say sick hands. And really tucked in the corner, Jacob. The center comes, and here's a one-timer, and what a goal! He released it like a cannonball. Ladies and gentlemen, what a goal that was. Highlight of the night. And here's another contender for highlight of the night. The pass comes right through the slot near the one-timer, and Uzi comes up with a big glove save. Holy macaroni. And here Jacob steals a puck, and oh, those sick hands again. He scores on the backhand. No chance for the tender.
Get on it, get on it.
Nice centering pass here from my man, and goalie makes a big save. The puck goes off to the corner. Good try, guys. Good try. Here's one more look at that save. Uzi comes across in a butterfly slide, trying to take away the bottom portion of the net. And the reflex is looking pretty good there as he makes a big glove save.
No.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you like the different angles, let me know in the comment section below. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. GoPro YouTube channel. There's a lot more to come. We've got some fascinating stuff coming up. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Have a good day. Cheers.
Here we go, adventures in puck handling with Uzi.